Question 20, a vector question. OT, the vector down here, is vector A, and RT, the vector B. M, the point they say here, is on OR, yes it is, and OM to MR is 2 to 3. So this is in the ratio of 2 to 3. So that means this is 2/5 of the way up, and this is 3/5 of the full journey OR. So they'll become multiplying factors of vectors. Express MT, which is that vector there, the yellow vector, in terms of A and B. Give your answer in its simplest form. The first thing to do is to find OR, because we're going to be travelling along some of it to do our journey from M to T. So the vector OR, if I travel along OR, well, the equivalent journey is all along vector A and then backwards along vector B. So this is equal to vector A minus B. So now we can do the journey from M to T. And M to T means travelling from M to R. So this is 3/5 of OR plus vector B. So this is equal to 3/5 A minus 3/5 B plus B. Well, B is 5/5. So these two terms put together will be positive 2/5. So this is equal to 3/5 of vector A plus 2/5 of vector B. And this is MT. And that will be your answer.